Hello, my name is Jed Albring and welcome to this video, ClickFunnels for beginners. So I myself was a beginner around 3 years ago, and what I did was I went through the affiliate boot camp. I signed up for a free trial for 14 days. Now the affiliate boot camp, whether you want to be affiliate or not, it's still going to teach you how to build funnels, how to create offers, and they have recently updated it as of June of 2019. So depending on when you watch this, I went through the older version. I'm now going through this new version as well, and it's insane. So you are getting training directly from Russell. You're also getting training from seven-figure earners who are affiliates for ClickFunnels, but also are using ClickFunnels to grow their business. So don't get hung up on the affiliate part. It's going to show you how to build funnels, how to grow this business, to grow your business. You're also going to get interviews with ClickFunnels users and how they use it, how they would start over, how they would use ClickFunnels, and you get to see behind the scenes. It's really, really cool stuff. And I will send you a link below, guys. You can register for it. It's absolutely free, but it's a great place for beginners to get started. Also, another great place is something called Funnel Fridays, which is videos of Russell Brunson and this gentleman here, Jim Edwards, who's a copywriter. And every Friday, they build funnels live for all different industries and show you how to put them together and what to say. So that's another great resource. I just thought of that one. I'll put that link for you guys. And then lastly, this is a paid option, but it is probably the best of all of them. It's $100. And it's a ClickFunnels 30-day challenge. So this is training, guys, it's a very in-depth training, basically showing you how to get your business started from day 1 to day 30. And you are going to get ClickFunnels 30-day book. You're going to get the blueprint. You're also going to get an MP3 player with past Funnel Hacking Live presentations. That is priceless. When I went through this training, I remember lying in bed listening to those MP3s like I couldn't believe that I got all this stuff for $100. I mean, you were listening from 7-figure, 8-figure earners who were basically telling you how they built their funnels, how they got their traffic, and how they grew their business. So you get the blueprint, you get the book, you get a private community, but you're going to get new trainings every single day. So they're taking you step by step, holding your hand, showing you how to get your business started. So whether you're brand new to ClickFunnels or if you're a business that's in need of a funnel and you want to grow your business, the challenge is for you. It's absolutely insane, guys. And you get 30 days of the missions from Russell Brunson. So you're getting coaching every day from Russell, but also Stephen Larson, who's one of the top funnel builders at ClickFunnels, went out on his own. Julie Stoyne, who also is $1 million earner. And then you're going to get all these other guys, Dan Henry, Liz Benny. You're getting interviews with all these 7- and 8-figure earners who are going to tell you their plan if they had to start over from day 1 to day 30. Then you get a bonus second interview where they go behind the scenes and actually show you their funnel, how they built it, what they did to earn $1 million. I mean, that is priceless, guys. You get the hard copy book. So this is truly where I would go. If you got the $100, you're going to more than make it back if you follow this program and stick with it. So I'll put all those links below. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Have a great day.